Dear friends, this video is related to the capital punishment and the related issues in India. What is capital punishment? Capital punishment is the legal penalty of execution for specific crimes, primarily very serious offenses like murder, terrorism, and treason, and heinous and barbarous crimes on humanity. It is given for the rarest cases as per the standards that has been established by the Supreme Court of India in this regard. And in India, the method of execution for civilian offenders is hanging, but for defense personnel, it is a different yardstick. What is our viewpoint on death penalty is this: the death penalty should be abolished in toto, because as per the statistics given by the Amnesty International, 113 countries have totally abolished death penalty, and the other 5 countries have joined together so as to abolish the death penalty to address the issue. Even the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the related issues against cruel and degrading treatment and death penalty and punishment, the human rights forums and the international covenants on civil and political rights have abolished the death penalty in toto. It is up to the civilized countries and civilized world so as to address the issues concerning the inhuman and degrading treatment of punishment like hanging and other cruel treatment that should be treated in a humanistic way. The second optional protocol to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, aiming at the abolition of death penalty in toto. European Convention on Human Rights also abolished the death penalty. Even in the United States of America, death penalty is abolished. Our point of view to the viewers is this: execution of the ultimate, that is death by hanging. It is the ultimate irrecoverable punishment. The risk of executing a person can never be re-established or restored if he is found that he is innocent in that case after some legal hurdles or hearings or facts known to the court. No evidence that the death penalty is not effective in reducing crime. The crime rate all over the prisoners in India, the death penalty occurrence is not giving any chance for the prisoners to so as to reform themselves. In the society also, it is not reducing the crime. On the other hand, it is increasing. The death penalty is disproportionately carried out by those less advantaged socio-economic backgrounds and belonging to racial, ethnic, or religious minorities. It is happening all over the country, especially in India. The marginalized sections of the society have been longing in Indian jails without even trials, and there is no room for their trial in India. Our point is this: there has been a discussion going on in India, that is, whether the death penalty should be abolished in toto, or the Supreme Court or the High Court shall restrain the case of giving a death penalty. And the next thing is that the best thing should be done if it is confirmed that death penalty is confirmed by hanging, shall be approached by an humanistic angle, that in Western countries, by giving some injections to the prisoners, convicted prisoners, the death penalty is awarded therein. In India also, the government of India, the Supreme Court of India, all the stakeholders, human rights activists in the country shall take a lead in in abolishing the death penalty in all cases. That has been abolished in 118 countries throughout the world. Why not India is a humanistic country, and having thoughts on non-violence and etc., must hear the views of the human rights activities and other things, so as to address the abolition of death penalty in total, if not by hanging, but by some humanistic approach. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.